This is from our favorite online butcher. It's called Pharmacy & Co. Looks like this. We order meat from them very often because their meat quality is actually very good. So this time I got some meatballs, chicken drumsticks. This is chicken thigh, skinned and boned. And lastly, we have this, which is ribeye steak. Their steaks are actually really good, so we like to order it from them. You're such a nerd, aren't you? Are you taking notes too? Have fun studying, okay? It's my first time trying to make rice in a pot, so we'll see how it goes. So my plan is to make this rice in a pot, and on top I will add some steak. So I have some ribeye steak, so I'll add that on top later on. So right now I have butter and minced garlic in there, and we'll let that cook a little bit before adding our rice. Butter always smells so good. Now adding the rice, I've already washed them. And before adding water, we'll get these rice coated with the butter and garlic a little bit. I just looked up how to do this on YouTube, so hopefully it works out. I'm using 2 cups of white rice here. Per the recipe, we use the same measurement for water. So because I used 2 cups of rice, I'll be using 2 cups of water. Here we go. I also had radish at home, so I'm just going to add those in here as well. Okay. So now putting on the lid until it boils up, and then I'll lower the heat. I'm also making some garlic flakes to put on top of the rice later on. So this is just oil and garlic. So we'll just fry them up a little bit.
Different style of steak you did this time, love.
Is it? It's just a ribeye. I ordered something very cute from Creuset. I was thinking about them for a while, and they're just cute little things, so I just decided to bite the bullet and get it. So it comes really well packaged so they don't break. Let's see. I got these little mini casseroles. I plan to put soup or side dishes in here. And there are so many cute colors to choose from. So I'll show you what colors I got. So this one. I got the mint color. Mint is one of my favorite colors. Our wedding color was actually mint because it's my favorite. And they have this cute little mint one. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. I got a pink one. Like that. So cute. So probably the mint one will be for Ryan, and I'll take the pink one. It's a Korean street food night for dinner today. So this is tteokbokki. It's super easy to make. They give you everything. You don't really need to add anything. I've tried a couple different brands, but I've been really enjoying this brand, so I continue to stock this up in our freezer. Then we have this, which is fish cakes. So I'm gonna make Korean fish cake soup with daikon, which is muli. So I'll do that. Here I have two different types of these seaweed rolls. So inside the seaweed roll, they have kind of like vermicelli noodles or japchae inside, and it's covered in this pan-fried coating. So I'm just going to cook these in the oven so it gets crispier and eat it together. Finally decided to buy the Magic Keyboard from Apple. At home, I use a MacBook Air and my iPad a lot, and I haven't been using a keyboard. So a couple of weeks ago, I felt like my posture wasn't good, so I wanted to get a laptop stand and an iPad stand as well as a keyboard to go with it. So on Amazon, it's a little scratched up here, but I got this simple stand that you just use it like that. I actually really like this because it works for both my MacBook as well as my iPad, and also it's very light and very compact. So this was a winner. I went cheap and got this kind of dupe version, cheap version of the Magic Keyboard on Amazon. It's called Pro Case. I think I paid about 20 pounds or so. It looks great. It looks exactly like the Magic Keyboard. But the problem is, sometimes certain buttons don't work. So sometimes the space bar wouldn't work. It could be a defect product, and I could reach out to them and try to get a new one, but I figured, you know what, that's too much hassle, and it was another lesson learned. When you're buying anything electronic related, just go for the real one instead of getting a dupe version, because this is not the first time that I had issues with kind of the cheaper versions of electronics. So this one's not good. So I just decided to get the real Magic Keyboard. So let's open it. Comes like this. Hey, it's so sleek and nice. And Comes with this. And also a cord. So hopefully this works out well.